Good morning, friends. Today is the day when I go to Delhi with Avish Matthew. But before I go to Delhi with Avish Matthew, this silly, stupid boy needs to let me go. Oi! I don't know where he gets so much energy from in the morning. Like, just look at him. He just has so much energy. I don't know what the fuck is up with him. Cat is scared of my suitcase. Ole! Oh, he's enjoying it. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. So scared. Oh, sweet boy. Stop eating my mask. Stop it. Nothing, it's nothing. See, it's nothing. See? It's just a stupid suitcase. Yes. It's bad suitcase. Bad suit. Okay? Goodbye. Ever since we started taking him down for a walk, he gets excited when the lift comes. Oi! Chat! Come in. Come. किधर गया? Okay. Bye, darling. Bye. Hi. Oh, so sweet. My friend over here wants to click a selfie, but I said I'm not doing any of that. So here's me putting in the vlog, buddy. What it's like being around. Alright, so it's been a very fun day of shoot. I shot a lot with Abhish. We were doing some work, and now finally the day is over. And now
it's time to fuck.
it's time to fuck.
It's time to fuck.
It's time to fuck. It's time to snug.
It's time to hug.
Oh yeah.
Seriously, मेरे को hug नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. The tissues are right there.
I'm a bounce play guy, so.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, have fun. Okay, bye.
It's time to fuck.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, Abhish ka love.
This is better than any sex I've ever had.
It's time to fuck.
ये गुड़गांव है मेरे यार, यहाँ इंफ्रा प्रोजेक्ट्स हजार, मस्ती है मस्तानों की गुड़गांव गली है ये मगिंग की गुड़गांव सेक्टर 6. Good morning. Guys, is the most prepared man for corona in this country is Dr. Abish Matthew. Dr. Saab, why the gloves?
My hands also don't touch each other, that's why.
Oh, wow.
Because I don't know where my right hand has been. And what if it's been in contact with another right hand? Then the left hand is like, कहाँ थे तुम? मैं बस और किसी और के साथ नहीं था. क्यों? तुमसे बू आ रही है कोरोना की. ऐसा मत बोलो. किसका सैनिटाइजर यूज किया तुमने? You can't be.
And scene. Guys, the funniest part about wearing gloves is that it sounds like someone's having sex when you bang your hands together. Like, check it out. Chee, stop it. Nah? Now everybody who's wearing gloves is going to do this and embarrass everybody around them. All the best. Oh, Malhotra Saab.
This is sideways. This is... And then there is cuddling. Always end with cuddling. Otherwise, what's the point? Oh, and then... Both of them crying separately. And scene.
Alright, friends, finally back from Delhi. This is the first time since lockdown that I've not been at home for one full day. So I'm curious what the dog reacts like. Excited!
Hi, sweetie. Hi.
So much love is coming. What have I done?
He's going down. He's gone down by himself.
Yeah, look at the smarty pants. Wait! Come back!
Yeah. Oh no, he's
found the stash.
No, he's found it. This is the one area that we didn't want him to find. He's found shoes. No, they are my shoes. Come back. Go back up. What are you doing? Chat.
He's raiding. Let him raid. It's okay. It's been in territory which we never let him go.
It's gone. He's found Akash's room. Okay. The whole house is just walking behind the dog, guys. It's the opposite of what we're supposed to do with pet. As Naveed's room has been discovered, he can smell all the sex you've had here, Naveed.
With myself.
Oh my god, Naveed. He can smell your singledom. This is very boring footage. Chat, do something exciting. Chat, come here, do susu here. Do susu here.
No.
Do susu right here. Chat. But he's not a human. His will be more like. Pss, 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 pss.
Have you ever gone there, Naveed? No.
हो गया, exploration time is done. Come, exploration time is done. Let's go. He's like, fuck you. Hello friends, welcome to my bathroom. आपने मेरा हॉल देखा है, आपने हमारा किचन देखा है, पर क्या आपने हमारा बाथरूम देखा है? It's a rhetorical question. The answer is no. We are here to address the one complaint that people have about us all the time. What is the complaint that people have about us?
Vlogs नहीं आ रहे टाइम पे, क्रेडिट रिव्यू नहीं हो रहा है, कुकिंग व्लॉग्स भी नहीं मिल रहा है, टाइम पे स्ट्रीमिंग नहीं चल रहा है.
These are too many complaints, not these. Please leave. We will take that again. Naveed, what is the one complaint that people have about us? Only one. The one main complaint. That's it. और कोई complaint मत बता. Same वही वाला.
व्लॉग्स नहीं आ रहे.
नहीं, वो नहीं. Take 3. We're doing it again, Naveed. This time we're right. What is the one complaint that people have about us, Naveed?
You don't do everything.
Yes, that we don't do everything. Which is why today we have decided to do skincare review. Skincare review. Do you guys want to know what makes this beautiful unibrow right here? My favorite skincare review is this one top comment on Naveed's Instagram that says, "Looking good, Kajol sir." Now I know what you guys are thinking. Tanmay, what qualifies you to do a skincare routine review masterclass workshop? And the answer is there are specific things that you need to do a skincare review routine masterclass workshop. And those things are, first of all, flawless skin. Look how flawless our skin is. Oh wow. Wow. The second biggest thing you require to do skincare review routine workshop masterclass is lack of ideas. How else do you end the vlog? कुत्ते को कितना ही मिल्क करोगे, कुछ और भी तो करना चाहिए लाइफ में, है कि नहीं नवीद? What do you know? You don't know.
घर पे क्या ही करेगा और?
Please cut this. And that is why we are qualified to do skincare review, master class, workshops, webinar, seminar, semester exam. Are we ready, Naveed?
Yeah. It took too long.
And in today's episode, we shall be reviewing Mamaearth Uptan face scrub and face mask. The Uptan face scrub, it contains
Turmeric and walnut.
and the Uptan face mask contains.
Saffron, turmeric and apricot oil.
The guy with the unibrow knows it, so it must be true. Now there's a part of a two-step skincare regime. We're going to begin with part 1, guys. Let's just do it. I want to wet my face first.
Thanks. I couldn't.
3, 2, 1, exfoliate! The face scrub helps you exfoliate your skin. And can I tell you the best way to exfoliate your skin? First date your foliate and then break up with it. It becomes exfoliate. Get it? This was not rehearsed. You wash your face. Not doing anything. What is friendship if not harassing each other all the time? Step 2 is the Uptan face mask, which helps in anti-aging, because sometimes you get a very sweet puppy, then you feed it for like 60 days and it becomes suddenly very big and you feel like, oh my god, it used to be so cute as a puppy, and what if it grows up too big? Are you going to miss its childhood? And so we should put this on chat.
Yes, definitely.
This is a joke. Please don't take it seriously. Some of you need to relax. Put face mask and relax. It helps in anti-aging because some of us are older and you keep hearing other people say, oh my god, you're so old. Why are you doing gaming? Are you even supposed to do this? It's for kids only. As an adult, do you really want to play this?
They're only talking about you then, man.
I know they're talking about me. Just remind me to call my therapist. So you just scoop it like this, like it's ice cream, except you don't eat it. You put on your face slowly. Please put.
Be sexy.
La 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 la. Once applied, you have to wait for about 15 minutes, and because we have nothing to do and we're 3 guys in a bathroom, we'll just stand here and make small talk. और क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में?
सही है.
सब सही है?
हाँ, क्या चल रहा है?
मस्त. यार मेरा एक ब्रांड स्पॉन्सरशिप वीडियो शूट. And in the end is any skincare routine masterclass webinar workshop semester exam complete without sexy slow motion shots of us washing our face. And don't forget, Mama Earth is free of harmful chemicals and they only use natural ingredients. What's more, they recycle more plastic than they use. Check them out by using the code TANMAY2020 to get 20% off on mamaearth.in. They're also available on Amazon and Flipkart. Also, for everybody who finds Naveed sexy, here's a shot of water dripping out of his nostril. You're welcome. If you enjoyed watching that, then make sure you hit like right now. 200,000 likes we're going to target, alright? We are shooting from our bathroom. Naveed took a shit in the middle of the shoot. My point is, this deserves a subscribe, alright? So please subscribe. Also check out my second channel. I talk about personal finance and do my podcast there. Make sure you subscribe to that. And on that note, see you next time. Goodbye.
It's time to snug.
This makes it look sexual.
This is blooper reel. This looks like fucking.